In today's video, we're going to talk about the truth behind deal sheets. There's a lot of misconception out there. You buy a deal, you're going to make £1,000,000. We're going to discuss the purposes of deal sheets, why you might want to use them, and the actual truth behind them. Welcome back everyone to the channel. Now, if this is your first time to Deal Hunters, welcome. Please check out all our different videos for much more content. And if you are new, please consider when you're watching it to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow the channel. We're growing really well and we thank all our members for that. And if you're new to Amazon FBA or you just want a bit of help, we do offer a free Discord. So do check that out down below. That is enough of the promo. Now let's get into today's video. So what is a deal sheet? Well, a deal sheet is a list of products that you can buy in a different store and resell on Amazon for a profit. The idea behind the deal sheet is it'll actually pinpoint the exact location where you can buy said product and where the ASIN is on Amazon so you can sell said product. It's as simple as that. You buy low and sell high. It's the same business model no matter what with Amazon FBA, but this is a different way of doing it. You do have other options. For example, manual sourcing, you could do this yourself in store, going around scanning perhaps clearance items, which is an okay business model, but really it requires a lot of input. The idea of this channel is to try and automate this service as much as possible. We want everyone that does Amazon FBA to really streamline the process. That is why retail arbitrage is not something that we really push because it just will always require time. About the biggest shops in the world, for example, Toys R Us, do you think the owner of Toys R Us is going around sourcing those deals to stock on the shelves? Absolutely not. The other alternative is to hire a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant, again, if you get the right one, and it'll take you a long time to discover the right one, but if you do find the right one, it can be very profitable if you can trust them not to be sharing their deals. You could be literally having someone that gives you specific deals on the regular basis. You usually have to pay a salary, and you can imagine what a long-term commitment that could be and the money and how all that works. It's a lot more complicated. So that leaves us with deal sheets. Deal sheets can be anywhere between sort of 5 to 10 deals a week, usually decent ROI. There's usually minimum criteria. You pay a monthly subscription and it just rolls on from there. Now, the issue that we have with deal sheets is if you search the internet, you will find a lot of providers for this. And in my experience, looking at the likes of Fast Track FBA, the likes of Seller Circle, their deals are either saturated or they're just not profitable, meaning that a lot of people jump on the listings and your money is then tied up with stock that's just not selling, and there's no guarantees that the price will ever recover. That is one of the biggest risks with deal sheets, is that everyone is seeing these deals and you could be buying a deal that 1,000 people are going to see. That is why you're nearly your first month with deal sheets, you should be buying low quantities to test the provider. Now at Deal Hunters, we make sure that our deals don't get saturated because we have mechanisms in place to stop this happening. We identified a problem with deal sheets and we've tried our best to actually make it better. That's why we have a sheet that only goes out to 40 people. And once we reach 40, we move on to a next sheet and rinse and repeat. We also have protection in there that if anyone was caught cheating, and this is a criminal offense because this is just like stealing, it is a digital content form. If you break that and you're caught stealing, then effectively you can be prosecuted. It seems a bit harsh and a bit extreme. No different than owning a furniture shop and someone coming in and stealing a sofa. It's just not allowed. Now with deal sheets, there is going to be a lot of different people that are interested in it. Some people that just want to be buying dangerous goods. There'll be other people that are happy to buy large quantities and with lower return on investment. There'll be people that only want to target higher return on investment that sells better. It depends on everyone's business. Beginners, the idea is you find deals that will sell quick with higher ROI, generally because your cash flow is probably quite low. Then on the flip side, there'll be people that have plenty of cash and are happy enough to pick up, say, £1 per product. There's also people that could be ungated in many different products, and there could be some people that are just starting off that don't have access to a lot of goods. So this is why a deal sheet can be very, very good, but you have to allow it to settle in. You have to give it time. And that is another huge misconception with deal sheets. People just think, I'm going to sign up to this here for 40 quid a month. After a week, I'm going to make £1,000. It is not going to happen. It will take time for the products to arrive, to sell, and move on. So that is why we recommend when you do sign up to a deal sheet, at least test it for a month to see, are the deals being saturated? Are they holding up in value? If that is the case and you're happy that the deals aren't being saturated on the regular, and bear in mind, with 100 deals a month, there is likelihood that some will be saturated. But if the majority aren't, then that is a good deal sheet. Then in your second month, once you've got the goods, how are they selling, and have the deals that you've been buying in the previous month justify the subscription fee. i.e. if you're paying 50 quid a month, let's say you're at entry level and you don't have a huge amount of money and you're turning £200 profit, think of all the time and effort that's saving you. That is good. And then on the flip side, if you have an unlimited amount of money, then it is absolutely a no-brainer. If there's 100 deals provided to you and you only buy 20, but you're making a grand profit and you're only paying £50 subscription fee, that is $9.50 profit. It's a no-brainer. So let's have a look at our deal sheet. Now, this is going to go back way back to April 23. For the purpose of this video, we can't be showing you, obviously, the current deals because that would be silly. This is what our deal sheet looks like. We have a lovely little welcome page here. We can get information. You go in and you can see we've obviously got our disclaimers, we've got tips. We also provide you with this lovely little hunter business, so you can tell how much you've been buying and monitor and log your details and when it arrives, so you can keep a good accurate record. If you are buying a lot of different deals, it can be quite hard to keep on top of. This is what this deal sheet's for. This is the product, this is the date, cost price, the selling price on Amazon, the FBA fee, the profit after FBA fee, after prep fees. You can put in prep here, £3, £4, whatever your prep fees are. This will deduct from this. Return on investment was 40%. And then if you're VAT registered, it also has a calculation for that. It has your purchase link, ASDA. Then it has the Amazon link where you can click and check it out. It has the ASIN and roughly the amount of sales a month. So let's click on this. As you can see, £14 is not the price that was on the deal sheet. It was on sale in April time. At £6, we can go here, we can see £6, you would be getting about 52% profit on this item. That's it. You just then go in, do your checks, add it to your inventory on Amazon so you can sell the product. Make sure you can do that in advance. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, this deal was sent in April, so you're going to catch the whole summer months. But say this was at the end of the year, maybe people or you're getting this in October, November, sunshine season's over, and you don't particularly want to hold for the next year. This is a deal where you would skip. So the idea is you go for each deal. This might be a perfect deal for the right business. This is a fantastic deal if you're prepared to hold. This one is a dangerous goods. You might not want to sell dangerous goods. You don't want to deal with the whole shipping and the packaging of it and taking the risk. So this deal might not be for you. But a 47% ROI, this deal will be for somebody. And that's the idea behind it. It's going out to 40 members. And out of them 40 members, you might only have 10 people that buy the deal. Maybe they don't want to do bundles. Here's a bundle deal, getting you 57% return on investment. But perhaps I'm not interested in doing bundles. I don't want the labor. I just want to buy, pack it up, get rid of it. Then that's okay as well. That's the idea. We give you all these different deals to cater every type of business. Very important to remember your expectation. You're getting 100 plus deals a month. If you can buy even 25% of them, you're going to do well. So let's just tot this up, for example. Let's just scroll down here. We'll just even go to what, say 24, line 24. So this is 20 deals, £107. If you just bought 20 deals, one item, that's £107. Bear in mind, this is 20. This is 1/5 of the deals you get a month. If you bought 1/5 of those deals and you were able to buy 10 of each unit, that is over £1,000. That to me is outstanding, and that more than covers a £40-50 fee all day and twice on Sundays. And I know what you're going to say, okay, where do I sign up to this treat? Here's the beautiful thing. We can actually give you a free trial of this. Go to our partner discounts. Any one of these, not only will you get a week's trial or a month's free trial or discount on any of these partners that we have, you will get 2 free weeks trial, and you can times it up 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You could have 3 months worth of Deal Hunter sheets just by clicking these links and setting up your accounts with them. No commitment, just try them. If you don't like them, move on. Our monthly subscription is £45, £105 for 3 months, and you can get a 12-month membership now for £385, which is even more discount. That would mean your subscription is £32 a month. And you can see here we have added new features, the Amazon bot, which will allow you to check prices on Amazon of the same product that's selling at higher prices and lower prices. And you can use that data to do exactly what you wish. This is the best service package out there. We strive to offer the best services. Don't take my word for it. Give it a try. Trust me, over the course of a month, you will find more than enough to cover a £45 subscription. And just remember, the biggest mistakes people make with deal sheets are, number one, saturation. Make sure when you buy a deal sheet, do not go all in buying huge quantities. Make sure your provider is actually giving you good deals. It's understanding everyone's different business model. Every deal is not there for you to buy. It is there for your business to potentially buy. Out of the whole list of 100 plus deals, As long as you can find 10, 15, 20, 30 deals a month, you're doing fantastically well, and it will more than cover your subscription package. As long as that is the case, then that deal sheet is delivering on its goods. I hope that that has helped you, and the points made in this video gives you an idea of exactly what deal sheets are about. I personally think they're fantastic if you have the right deal sheet. There is a lot of crap ones out there, so be wary of that. Any questions, feel free to ask us in the free Discord, links down below. And if you're interested in starting this and you're thinking, I would love to be able to kind of do this with somebody, I've just started a £0 to £60,000 challenge where I'm buying from the deal sheet, and I am putting into the Discord that I am buying religiously. So far, we've spent over £1,000 in a matter of a few days, and we're looking to scale this up even more over the coming weeks. Join the Discord and hit the alert bell on this YouTube channel to keep up to date with that challenge, and I will see you in the next video.